Great location with free parking. It was so nice to have open parkland in front of the hotel, as it didn't feel like we were as close to London metropolis as we were. We arrived at 13.45 and were able to check in. Our twin room was not large but had all necessary facilities and was very
Unfortunately, the room we were first allocated had a wardrobe that was quite dangerous, as it wasn't attached to the wall and, as a result, nearly toppled onto my husband upon opening, which was quite worrying as he's only just got over a heart attack.
Great location directly opposite Blackheath Common. Close to shops in Blackheath, which whilst being South London still retains the feel of a village. Above ground train station, connected to tube network, is 5 minutes walk from hotel, so overall the Clarendon is ideally located.
Difficult to find a parking space even if they offer free parking. There is a car park in front and one in the back, quite small for the size of the hotel, and you literally have to hunt for a parking space. In the end I had to give up and park at the train station, about 6 minutes walking.
Emailed the hotel before our trip that we need every room with single beds, did check out and one of the rooms had a double bed. Luckily there was another room free. In the same email, I have asked to allocate 3 parking spaces as we travel in cars.
I'd asked for 2 rooms together. I emailed this request and they replied. However, they hadn't remembered this. They did rectify it though after some rearranging of rooms.